everyone, this is S. Aisha Banu from ECE department in Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology. Today my topic is description of DC power supply. Subject Basic Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Title DC power supply. Subtitle Description, Components, Working and Applications. Today I am saying introduction about DC power supply. A DC power supply is an electronic device that provides a stable direct current voltage to operate electronic circuit and devices. It converts AC main voltage into a controlled DC output. What is DC power? DC means direct current. Direct current flows in one direction used by most electronic devices. A DC power supply ensures smooth, constant and noise-free voltage. Why do we need a DC power supply in our daily lives? Electronic components cannot use AC directly. Provides safe, regulated and adjustable power. Protects circuit from the voltage fluctuations. Basic functions of DC power supply. A DC power supply performs AC to DC conversion, voltage reduction, ripple filtering, voltage regulation, protection against overload and short circuit. Let us see the block diagram of AC power supply. Components in sequence: transformer, rectifier, filter, voltage regulator, load. Transformer state reduces high AC voltage to a lower AC level, provides electrical isolation for safety. Common types: step down, isolation, transformer. Rectifier stages. Rectifier converts AC to fluctuation DC. Types of rectifier states: half wave stage, full wave stage, bridge rectifier. Most commonly used as bridge rectifier uses 4 diodes for efficient conversion. Filter stage removes AC ripples from rectified output. Components use capacitors, inductors, LC or RC filters. Produces smooth DC voltage. Voltage regulator stage ensures output remains constant despite load changes, input fluctuations. Types of voltage regulator states. There are 3 types of voltage regulator states: Zener dial regulator, linear regulator, 7805, 7812, etc. Switching regulators. Types of DC power supplies. There are 4 types of DC power supply: linear power supply, switch mode power supply, also in short form SMPS, variable or adjustable power supply, battery based DC supply. Firstly, let us discuss about linear DC power supply. Uses transformer plus rectifier plus linear regulator. Advantages of linear DC power supply: low noise, stable. Disadvantages of linear DC power supply: bulky, less efficient. SMPS. SMPS full form is switch mode power supply. There are 3. Uses high frequency switching. Advantages of SMPS: lightweight, efficient. Used in computers, chargers, TVs in our daily lives. We use computers and chargers and TVs in our daily lives with the help of switch mode power supply. Variable DC power supply. Output voltage can be adjustable using a knob. Useful for experiments, testing, components and projects. These are used in our daily lives. Features of DC power supply: regulated output, overload protection, short circuit protection, current limitation, display for voltage and current. Operation flow: AC input enters transformer, transformer lowers voltage, rectifier converts AC to DC, filter smoothens voltage, regulator maintains output, clean DC power loads. Applications of AC power supply: electronic laboratories, communicational equipments, industrial control system, battery charging, medical and scientific instruments, student projects and experiments. Advantages and disadvantages of DC power supply. Advantages: stable and clean power, adjustable output available, protects electronic devices. Disadvantages of DC power supply: linear supplies are heavy, SMPS produces electrical noise, cost varies with features. There are more disadvantages and advantages of DC power supply, but we are discussing about some only. Conclusion of DC power supply. A DC power supply is an essential device used to provide steady and reliable DC voltage for electronic circuits. Understanding its working stages and applications help in designing, testing and operating modern electronic systems effectively. Thank you.